Back in 2001, 17 men gathered together under a common cause, understanding that there needed to be a fundamental change to project management. Because of that, they came up with the Agile Manifesto, leading to more efficient and more effective ways of doing things, and adding more flexibility and better customer satisfaction into the process. Because of that, today we have many Agile tools available, but what really matters is the mindset that one has when using these tools. Now, there's many tools that we can mention, but two that stand out are Scrum and XP. Now, Scrum can best be described as a concept where everybody on the team has value and has equal buy-in, and because of that, it really develops into a system of collective commitment and self-organization where everybody is part of the same goal, which really makes an efficient process, but it has to have that culture. XP, on the other hand, focuses in on really delivering the best product possible. So there is a lot of testing and debugging the software to make sure that the best possible product is developed and given to that customer. That's their primary focus. Now, these are great tools, but what really matters when you're doing these things to make this really a great process is that mindset. And there's two particular mindsets that are highly effective, and that's lean thinking and design thinking. Now, lean thinking is important because it gets in there and it focuses on cutting out waste and making it incredibly efficient while also maintaining a lot of integrity in the product. It's a great thing. It's a great mindset that really does correspond with those other tools as well. Now, the other way of thinking is design thinking. And design thinking really focuses on a few different areas. Like Scrum, design thinking values the person, each person on that team, that all of their talent is valuable. And it also creates a culture where failure is not only accepted, but almost necessary, because that's what allows them to learn. And this learning process within design thinking leads to another concept in that it's using an iterative process. And an iterative process means that they're never going to stop improving a product. Even after they already deliver it, they're going to continue to improve upon that product. So it's just a great process that way. So it's these mindsets that allow these tools to be highly effective. So you can see that those tools combined with these mindsets in the right environment, that's what makes Agile so effective and far superior to those old methods.